Hello nature lovers. You are watching SI Lanka's tallest waterfall, called
BAMBARAKANDA, which is located in Balingoda. There's footage taken in the dry season, which is April to August.
If you are traveling in monsoon, you can enjoy it.
Breathtaking view here. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.